Hey guys, welcome back to this short tutorial with OSP. Now in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to set the path of your Python in your machine. We are going to set the path so that you can run your program if you run from the CMD. Now this is what I mean. If you try to check here from the command prompt, if you try to check whether you have Python installed in your machine, yes, we installed Python, but then we cannot access it. This is what I mean. If you type Python, or even when I just press Python, it will tell that Python is not recognized as an internal or external command. You get? So this is because it does not mean that I didn't install. It's like I installed it, but then I didn't. It is not set the path. So if you don't see on just Python, you'll discover yes, I have Python, and not only that, I also have my Python 3 which I installed here on the one I just showed you on the other program, which is 3.6 is the version, and then I also installed here my Python 2. Now here I'll be very clear to you guys. Now Python 3, when you're installing Python 3, we don't set the path from the command prompt. Or we don't set the path like I'm going to be setting path for this Python 2. At the moment I'll show to set path to Python 2. Now to set path in Python 3, by the time when you're installing this option that will show there that would you like to add the path, you just have to tick it. Or if also I'll show you also on another video on how to add path for Python 3. But let us now see how can put path or add path for our Python 2.7. Now, like I've just shown you, if you see from here, if you take Python, you will discover that it is asking you that the command is not there. Yes, fine. So let us just see how can we make it out right now to work. So that at least we have our Python already installed in our machine, and then our can also run at the command prompt. So the thing that you need to do is that you have to check at where you save your Python. I can simply say always in where you see flag on your machine, at default that's where our programs tend to be installed, or that's where all our program gets to install, unless you give another condition for what is to be installed. So if you just double click here, if you just double click on that window or in C, you'll discover that you have Python 7 there, Python 2.7, which is our actually the pattern that we have to set. So just happen to come to your local disk or any other local disk, as long as where you install your Windows does not matter the naming of the local disk. Then double click on your local disk. If you install Python 2.7 or Python 2, just Python 2, trust me, it will just come here and you see Python 2. But if it is Python 3, I know some guys may ask me, how about if I install Python 3? Python 3 does not happen to come in here. So I can even say this is one of even the differences between Python 2 and Python 3. Python 2, you can even see where you have installed, and you can even set the path. But Python 3 goes straight to app data and program file, where it is very hard to access it, and you can't access it here on your local disk. So we just have to double click on this Python, and after just coming here, click here up, and then just copy this one here up. You see, and that's the path for our Python. Just copy it. Now after doing so, you can close everything. Then again, open up, hold Control with your E in your machine, then right click on your machine, go to properties, then go to advanced system settings, then come and change the environment variable, click there, then you click to where they say new, and then add just the path, and then here down where there's a variable name, just give the other path you have set, which is actually Python 2.7. The one we have just actually copied, and then you paste it there, then press OK. Press OK again here, and then finally press OK. So if I clause here that implies of an Python's the path is set in machine. So if I get right from CMD and I just type Python, I will be having a Python installed in the machine, and the path is set also in my machine. So guys, that's how we simply set path for Python for further programming. If at all you'd like to program for maybe even using MySQL, the other databases, you have to first set the path, guys, and also make sure you have one known as MySQL DB, which you also have to install in your machine, and also make sure that actually you have a Python. Make sure you know the version of Python actually you're using, because some Pythons you give you some kind of hard time to program or to do something that may be unique to use, or maybe you're using command prompt. So guys, I encourage you all to use Python 7, Python 2. It is kind of a bit more stable than Python 3. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope we meet next time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.